The overall goal of this protocol is to identify and remove contaminating nuclease activity during protein purification.
This method can help answer key questions in the retrovirology field, such as biochemistry, structure, and dynamics of integration.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows identification and removal of contaminating DNA nuclease activity from a recombinant protein of interest during purification.
Begin by thawing 1 pellet of E. coli-expressing prototype Foamy virus integrase on ice. Use a sonicator equipped with a 0.5-inch diameter biohorn with a 0.125-inch diameter tapered microtip to sonicate for 30 seconds at 30% amplitude with the tube on ice. After sonication, transfer the cell sample to a cold ultracentrifuge tube and spin at 120,000 times G for 60 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Following centrifugation, there should be an obvious pellet and the supernatant may have a yellow color. Transfer the supernatant into a cold 50 milliliter conical tube. Next, set up the 110 mm long, 5 mm diameter FPLC column with a 1.5 milliliter nickel charged resin. First, connect the column to the FPLC instrument and apply buffer. The instrument should be collecting real-time data of conductivity and UV absorbance at 280 nanometers. The conductivity and UV readings should stabilize. If necessary, continue to flow buffers through the column until readings are stable. Using a super loop, load the protein sample onto the column at a flow rate of 0.15 milliliters per minute with a maximum pressure limit of 0.5 mega.